Hello guys, today is the I think day 4 of 100 days English speaking challenge in front of camera. So today I'm going to talk about my routine because right now the time is right now 12 right now it's 12:40 a.m. It's the night, okay, and I will tell you my whole day of today. So I woke up at 10 a.m. and then I thought today that I will not going to eat proper diet that I am eating from last few days of 3000 calories and high protein. What I will do instead, I will try to caffeinate myself and eat only protein diet and caffeine myself. And right now I am in very sleepy mood. That's why you can see me from my face, and I just want to build momentum right now because I am facing some challenges because as I told you in my early video that these all are the levels of mine, these are the beginning of mine, so I will not try to judge myself with this thing and give me myself a tag that I can't do this. No, it's not work like this. We are new to these things and we will learn throughout this time as we grow up in our level and cross our levels. Okay, so today I didn't done so any kind of so much productive thing I do. I waste most of my time because of lack of planning from tomorrow what I will do, I will make a whole day plan properly and I will try to fulfill all those plan and right now the thing I want to talk about is that I don't want to talk about anything right now because all I am feeling is very sleepy and I right now I'm not feeling mentally good because I am not confident enough to talk what do I want to talk and I did not prepare. I just procrastinate most of the time. This was my biggest flaw of today. That I have the time to prepare for this video because but I did not prepare. Why? Because this requires mental effort and try to avoid this mental effort. Said myself that okay I will do after that and right now it's 12:40 a.m. and I haven't done this video recording. Okay, so this is all my problem and why did I do that? Because of the mental see it's you will not going to relate all this thing because you are not in my shoes. If you are someone who watches reels every single day for so many time and if you take this challenge then you will know the challenges that you will going to face in this challenge. These are not a big problem. These are very minor problem, but it requires patience. Right now we need to have patience. Okay. Right now my mind is not used to load so many things, and I'm just focusing on. I have read 10 pages of book today. I've completed those tasks, and I am and I already was I on see how false English I am speaking these times, and I already done 1 hour English content watching, and today diet is very shock, and I will sit and mm, what thing I can talk. Mm, See, the point of making this video is that I just want to record all these things for my future because I have 100% surety that my future self is far more ahead than right now I am, and that's why I want to document all these tough situations which I'm going through and the challenges which I'm facing right now to be proud of in my future the by seeing the work that I am doing and see um, speaking English is not such a big deal. It just requires a lot of practice, and we all can say that it's very cliche to say somebody, okay, you want to improve this, you should do practice makes a man perfect. But when you step your foot onto that field and step in and you try to start practicing, then you know that what it takes to do those practice right because it's not just about physical practice, it's about mental practice. You have to you need to have a good mindset, like you need to have a long term mindset. Okay, right now I will not put my mind in such a discomfort that he is not able to tolerate. I will give him a pain little bit, so after a while he get used to all those thing and he will develop his mind so well. Okay, so why I'm saying all this thing right now? Right now is April 2026. Why I just want to improve 100% of myself right now? If I had decided to, the, the thing does not work like that. We have to put our conscious effort, right? Why don't we take little steps at a time, right? Today is April month. Today I get 16 hours. If I take away 8 hours sleep from my day, I get 16 waking fucking hours. So what if I just started building a habit of 2 hour, 3 hour of deeply forcing myself, giving my brain pain? Why can't I do this? Why do I decide to give myself brain myself work of 10-12 hours, which I haven't built those capacity till now? So why do I want to do those things? And when I'm not able to achieve those things, then I get demotivated and I quit everything. That's the biggest flaw of our impatience and our fast result asking habit, right? Because if I just try to, okay, fuck everything, forget about diet, forget about other people, let's not compare with any other people, let's compare us with us. Okay, in April we will build a study habit of fully focused study habit of 2 hour in a day. After April we will build a study habit of 3 hour in May in 3 hour, in June 4 hour, in July 5 hour, in August 6 hour, in September 7 hour, in October 8 hour, in November 9 hour, in December we will get 10 hours of effective work done brain capacity. But we are not going to do like this. Why? There's something which hurts me so much. I'm doing all this thing from last so many years. Like I started making content on my other channel in January 2025, but I quit those things because of this impatient. Like on that time I have a desire to make 10 hours, work 10 hours, and when I can't able to work 10 hours, then I tell myself, okay, you are a shit, you can't not do anything, and I quit everything and I go into depression mode. I scroll reels and I just waste my time. But if I have those mindset on that time, like I will not care about 2025, I will just build myself one step at a time, small changes, small improvement every single day. Then I will have so many great things, so many good thing right now. So I cannot change my past, I cannot change anything, I can have my future present right now. So I have to build right now. I cannot just quit anything by not getting the things that I have want and I have expected. I have to build all those things and I have to be extremely patient with time, and I have to just put the effort. Little bit improvement will be going to be give me drastical changes in a year. So I have to think in a year, in a decade. I don't have to think in a month, in a days. That's what makes us not to achieve our goal and pushes us to go backwards and stop everything and consume and shut down yourself. So this is the major thing which I am so sad, and that is it guys for today. And this is also the thing which I will remember in my future, because now I have got this mindset, so I will not let my future self down. So that is it. Thank you.